Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Straight Talk. Yes, guys, finally Straight Talk. I thought I made this video a while ago, but I guess not, or maybe I thought I talked about it, but I don't know. But basically, Straight Talk Wireless adds unlimited priority data, 5G, ultra wideband, and more, guys. So yeah, Straight Talk's been around for a long, long time. They've been the competitor to a lot of carriers, and with a lot of carriers going up in price now, I think it's time to go back to prepaid and look what they have going on. So it says customers will now have faster data speeds and a network experience more in line with some other Verizon value brands. Remember, Straight Talk or TracFone Wireless is owned by Verizon. So Verizon does own TracFone, which is under Straight Talk and all that stuff. So yeah, sorry, watching football. It's a Sunday. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in a while too. It's just been so chaotic and busy. But let's get into it, guys. It says Straight Talk Wireless updates its plans today with multiple new features. The updates target Straight Talk's $55 a month gold and $65 a month platinum unlimited plans. Upgraded highlights include. So we're about to talk about what these include. So it says 5G ultra wideband support. You now get the fastest data speeds possible on Verizon's network, guys. So before you only had access to 5G. Of course, other prepaid brands under Verizon already has this access. So 5G ultra wideband is only available in certain areas, so you will not get it everywhere. But it's not as big as their 5G network nationwide, but still really fast, like 10 times faster. So unlimited priority data says data access is now prioritized over other users on the Verizon network. So finally, guys, unlimited priority. Sorry, it's done. Unlimited priority data, which basically means if times of congestion, your speeds will not slow down. That was one big thing or big factor, I'd say, with prepaid and not having priority. You always will be on the bottom of the totem pole when it comes to priority. So now you have unlimited priority data. Of course, it's not really unlimited, but whatever. It says data access is now prioritized over other users on the Verizon network. Data speeds won't slow down compared to other customers on the network when the network is busy. Increased hotspot is a really cool thing. For $55 a month, now includes 30 gigs of hotspot data, up from 10 gigabytes. So you're getting added 20 gigabytes of high-speed data with or hotspot, should I say? Which is pretty cool. Says the 65 gold plan now includes unlimited hotspot data. However, hotspot data speeds are limited to 5 megabits per second, guys. So just be wary about that. So it's all unlimited hotspot, but it is capped at 5 megabits per second, which should be plenty for streaming and doing other things. But downloading might take a while. It says finally 1080p video streaming. This is a big one that I think is the best one, honestly. Well, not really. I think unlimited priority data is the best one, but video streaming is definitely something I enjoy. I'm doing, as you can see, I'm watching football while I'm doing this video, so probably shouldn't be doing it, but It says 1080p video streaming when connected to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So you will only get access to the 1080p video streaming, guys, when you're on 5G ultra wideband. You'll see a 5 UW symbol next to your signal bars. 720p streaming when on their 5G or 4G network. So basically you can get 720 HD streaming still on 5G or 4G, which is going to be the default, unless you go on a 5G ultra wideband area. By default, videos will stream at 480p on 5G LTE and 720 on 5G ultra wideband. You will have to basically change this in the settings in the app. So customers will have to turn on full speed streaming to get the fastest speeds. And then last couple of things, annual device credits. You'll get $100 device credit towards every year towards a new phone. And you get, of course, discount on the 5G home internet. It says plans are available immediately. They are available at Walmart stores starting January 20th, which is today's the 26th. Existing customers will be upgraded to the new features automatically. Wow. So pretty cool. Here's just a little breakdown here. I said this is by bestofvideo.com. Check them out. They do a good job breaking everything down. But the price with and without autopay, of course, autopay discounts $5 a month. So $50 a month, you get 5G ultra wideband, unlimited priority, 30 gigs of hotspot, 100 gigs of cloud storage, international calling to Mexico and Canada, Walmart Plus membership. That's another thing that I believe that's like $12 a month. You get that for free. So think about that. It's actually kind of worth it. Device protection, no, and then annual device credit, $100. Yes. The premium, which is 65 or 60 with autopay, like I said, you get everything except for hotspots unlimited, cloud storage 100, and you do get device protection. It says both plans are included discounts for customers with multiple discounts over multiple lines. Taxes and fees are extra, just know that. So if it's 60, it'll be 60 plus taxes or 50 plus taxes. Of course, Total Wireless and Visible Wireless, guys, are the two big competitors, which they are same thing under Verizon's umbrella. Visible is actually right under them. Verizon actually made that. Same thing like Cricket is to AT&T. And basically, they're saying this is more in the realm of Visible and Total Wireless, which I use both, and they're pretty good. It says basically now we're just talking about they're comparing Straight Talk versus Total Wireless, which I like Total Wireless, guys, but I don't know, Straight Talk's kind of making a comeback. So it's a little tough though, because Straight Talk now does give you Walmart Plus subscription, which, like I said, I pay for, and I believe it's like $12-13. Total Wireless, two comparable flagship unlimited plans offer a better value, in my opinion, for the following reasons. You get $100 more on Total Wireless, so you get $200 instead of $100. International roaming, calling and texting to international numbers. Fourth line is free with Total Wireless. Taxes and fees are included, and 5-year price lock guarantee. Also with Total Wireless, it does have Disney Plus subscription. So do you want Disney or do you want Walmart? I probably would take Walmart, but I do like Total Wireless a little bit better. So not bad at all. I have, like I said, Total Wireless, but I got the 50% off promo. So it's actually really, really good. It says Verizon is home to many prepaid wireless brands. One of their other big brands, Simple Mobile, has yet to get these additional services featured. I mean, Simple Mobile is, I believe it was under T-Mobile before, but now, of course, it's under Verizon's umbrella, but they don't really get too much loving compared to Straight Talk, Total Wireless, and all that stuff, guys. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to know more about these plans and my thoughts about it. Let me know in the comments below. I will start making more videos as the days go by. So thank you. Check out the description below for a lot more videos and ways to support the channel and everything. Thanks so much, guys.